How to fix unable to remove printer issue on Windows. 1. 1.1 Launch the remove driver and driver package option in print server properties. 1.2. Remove the printer software. 1.3 Stop the print spooler service. 1.4 Delete everything from C. Windows /system 32 /spool /printers folder. 2. Delete your printer related items at hkey_local_machine /system /current control /set control /print /printers. Restart your PC later. Cancel all print jobs. 4. Remove your printer using the print. Management app. 5. Delete hidden printers from Device Manager. 6. Delete the driver entries from the registry. 6.1 Run netstop spooler command as admin. 6.2.1 For 32-bit Windows users, go to hkey_local_machine /system /current control set /control /print /environments /Windows NT x86 /drivers /version 4. 6.2.2 64-bit, go to hkey_local_machine /system /current control set /control /print /environments /Windows x64 /drivers /version 4. 6.3 Delete your printer info into the version 4 key. 6.4. Delete all files at C:\Windows /system 32 /spool /drivers W32x863, or W32x861 or W32x862. 6.5 Run net. Start spooler command as admin. 7. Update the printer drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.